Welcome back. In this video tutorial, you will be learning how to format your ebook. We'll be focusing on how you can set your page margin, header, and footer, as well as the Shift plus Enter formula. First is to set your document's margin. On the top of the Word document, click on Layout. Then you'll see a number of options. Click on Margins, select Normal. Now you are able to see that the document is aligned according to the margin. Next is inserting your header and footer. Click on View and select Header and Footer. Then your header and footer will appear. You can then type in your preferred header and footer. For this tutorial, I inserted content creation videos. What you type in will automatically sync with the number of pages that you have in your ebook. You can then click Close when you are done. Next is the Shift plus Enter formula. This formula is important as it enables you to type in a new line and not a new paragraph. Let me illustrate an example for you. I have typed in a short paragraph and have come to the end of the page. I use the Shift plus Enter formula, and it enables the content to remain in the same paragraph without adding any unnecessary gaps or spaces. By using the Shift plus Enter formula, especially when you have reached the end of the page, you are able to avoid unnecessary spaces between paragraphs as your content is dragged further down when you choose to use the Enter key.